Now we are going to study about the different parts of the skeletal system. Our skeletal system is made up of different parts like that: skull, rib cage, backbone and limbs. What is skull? S-K-U-L-L. Skull. It is nothing but our bone in the head. The bone give the shapes to our head and face is called skull. It is made up of some few, otherwise several number of bones that's joined together and form the shape of the head. But in that number of bones, they are not movable. They won't move except one bone, that is called our lower jaw. The lower jaw only move up and down and sideways. So due to that, we can eat, drink, talk, and all things can happen by the moving lower jaw. That is the one bone moving in the number of bones in skull. And the skull giving the shape of our face and head, I told. Not only that, it protecting the internal very important organ called brain. Our brain lies inside the skull. It is a very important internal organ. It controls the whole body and also it maintains the memory. What we are experiencing till now, we are remembering that, isn't it? The brain helps for that. So the skull gives the shape of the head and also the face, and also protect the internal organ brain. The number of bones join together and form the skull. They are not movable except the lower jaw. The lower jaw only a movable bone in the skull. Is it clear? The next one is rib cage. R-I-B-C-A-G-E. Cage. Rib cage. Cage means you know. We are using, if you are growing the pet birds, we are putting inside the cage. For what? To protect the birds. Like the same, here the rib cage is protecting some internal organs. Before that, where the rib cage is lying in our body, it is in the trunk part. I already told, while inhaling the air and being in the same stage, you touch your body parts in the front and also back. You can feel some bones, some small bones like a cage. So that bones are called rib cage bones. The rib bones, there are 6 bones in front, one side, and the other side also 6 bones. So like the 12 bones in the front and 12 bones in the back. So as a side, the 6 bones and 6 bones forming like a cage shape. In this side also and this side also. So totally 24 bones forming the cage shape. So it is called rib cage. In this 12 pairs of bone, small flat bones are there to forming the rib cage, and it protecting the delicate organs like heart and lungs, the internal organs. The rib cage is in the chest, in our chest position, chest it is lying. Rib cage is lying, and it protect the internal organs, heart and lungs. It contains 12 pairs. That means 24 bones. The 6 bones, if you take the left side, 6 bones in front and 6 bones in back. In your right side, 6 bones in front and 6 bones in back. So, small flat 12 pair of bones forming a cage shape. So, that is called rib cage. Is it clear?